whips the llama's ass. It really 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 whips the llama's ass.
I see no changes. Wake up in the morning and I ask myself, it's like work, nigga, should I blast myself? I'm tired of being bored, even once I'm black. My stomach hurts, so a nigga for a person smash. Cops give a tell about a need, bro. Pull a trigger, kill a nigga, he's a heat, bro. Get it back to the kids, who the hell cares? One less of them out on the welfare. First shit, I'm dope, never deal with brothers. Keep them guns, step back, watch them kill each other. It's time to fight back, that's what he said. 2 shots in the dark, now he's dead. I got love for my brothers, but we can never go nowhere unless we share with each other. We gotta start making changes. Learn to see me as a brother instead of 2 distant strangers. And that's how it's supposed to be. How can the devil take a brother if it's close to me? I like my brother from when we played his kids before his hands. That's the way it is. That's just the way it is. Something that I be inside. That's just the way it is. I see no changes. All I see is racist faces. This place hate makes this place the racist. We under. I wonder what it takes to make this one better place. I see race the wasted. Take the evil out the people that be acting right. Let's go black and white and smoke a jack tonight. And the only time we chill is when we kill each other. It takes healing when we kill time to heal each other. And although it seems ever since we ain't right, we see the black peasants in it. And ain't a secret of the seal the fact that penitentiary's back and it's filled with blacks. But some things will never change. Try showing niggas way when they're staying in the dope. Now tell me what's not to do. Being real to appeal to the brother in you. You gotta operate the easy way. Put your lady in the sleazy way. So the crack to your lady. That's the way it is. That's just the way it is. It's just the way it is. That's just the way it is. That's just the way it is. Things will never be the same. That's just the way it is. It's time for us as a people to start making some changes. Let's change the way we eat. Let's change the way we live. And let's change the way we treat each other. You see, the old way wasn't working, so it's on us to do what we gotta do to survive. And still I see no changes. Can a brother get a little peace? It's war on the streets and a war in the Middle East. Instead of war on poverty, they got a war on drugs so the police can bother me. And I ain't never did a crime I ain't have to do. But now I'm back to the police, coming back to me. So I'm gonna jack you up, back you up, crack you up, and pimp smack you up. You gotta learn to hold your own. They get jealous when they see you with your mobile phone. But tell the cops can't touch this. I don't trust this. When they try to rush, I bust this. That's the sound number 2. They say it ain't cool, but mama didn't raise no fool. And as long as I stay black, I gotta stay strapped. And I never get to lay back, cause I always gotta worry about the payback. Some buck that I roughed up way back, coming back after all these years. Rat-tat-tat-tat-tat, that's the way it is. That's just the way it is.
Yo, I heard you got beat up by the police, got a big fat lawsuit and everything. Niggas just wanna know if you still gon' be on some crooked ass nigga shit. Please tell me what's a nigga to do when it's true. Ain't nothing new, so I do what I got to get through. Now first they got me dropping out piss. I wear a record 37 laying on my head, so I don't trip. One motherfucker from the underground. The big stretch bucket niggas if they fuck around. Yo, why y'all got beef with police? Ain't got a bitch, the motherfuckers got a beef with me. They make it hard for me to sleep. I wake up at the slightest beep, and my seats are 3 feet deep. I guess it's hard for you to see. But now I point a finger at police and still the motherfuckers blaming me. I got the right to bear pistol. And when the broke motherfuckers get the truth, man, I got shit too. And maybe then you see the truth. But until then, I gotta do what I do and stay a crooked nigga too. It's all up to you. But until then, I gotta do what I do and stay a crooked nigga too. And maybe then you see the truth. But until then, I gotta do what I do and stay a crooked nigga too. It's all up to you. But until then, I gotta do what I do and stay a crooked nigga too. And maybe then you see the truth. You can't fuck with the truth. A crooked nigga really can't say that's a blame, niggas. Don't be a chain, son of like time to aim triggers. Tupac is spark a revolution. Fuck the Constitution. I want my blocks on restitution. This time you gotta pick a problem. Time to fake the niggas since I sent you all in Brooklyn and Harlem. And we ain't shooting at each other. That's a motherfucking brother. So save two, run for cover. And other bitches from the clan. Come from the wrath of a pop man that doesn't smoke crack, gang. I don't drink St. Ives. Continue with drive ganja. I'm a fucking tech nine. They know they're scared to see us over. Cobra. And niggas will take the world over. It's all up to you. Blame the Korean. I'll be a crooked nigga too. It's all up to you. But until then, I gotta do what I do and stay a crooked nigga too. And maybe then you see the truth. But until then, I gotta do what I do and stay a crooked nigga too. It's all up to you. But until then, I gotta do what I do and stay a crooked nigga too. And maybe then you see the truth. You can't fuck with the truth. A crooked nigga tell me. Players ask me, God, and try me. I be dead if I die. Come look at the veins in my eyes. See, they got my homie in the jail cell. And it's the rebel and the devil, and one of us is going to hell. I got the whole place covered with lumped out brothers and nothing but love for each other. Some motherfucker make a motion. I give a fuck, slice you up and throw your ass in the ocean. Temperature shock. See, it's cool to shoot a nigga, but they hate it when we pop the cops. That's when they getting petrol. You better watch the stop and you'll be left on death row. But I learn to look ahead of me. Stay sharp, watch your back, keep your eyes on the enemy. We blowing up precincts and you can't fuck with the truth. A crooked niggas do. It's all up to you. But until then, I gotta do what I do and stay a crooked nigga too. And maybe then you see the truth. But until then, I gotta do what I do and stay a crooked nigga too. It's all up to you. But until then, I gotta do what I do and stay a crooked nigga too. And maybe then you see the truth. You can't fuck with the truth. A crooked nigga too. I love the way you activate your hips and push your ass out. Got a brother rolling me so bad I'm about to pass out. Wanna dig you, and I can't even lie about it, baby. Just alleviate your clothes, time to fly about it. Catch you at the club, your hips have got me feeling. Body talking quick to me, but I can't comprehend the meaning. Now if you wanna roll with me, give me some chance. You and lady on the freeway, catch me if you can. Forgive me, I'm a rider, feeling just a simple man. All I want is money plus the fame. I'm a simple man, Mr. International, playing with the passport, just like the Latins with. Do anything you ask for, either him or me. The champagne when the sea, favorite of my homies when we frost on our enemies. Witness as we creep to a low speed, beat what my foes need. Make some OGs so you don't need. Approaching women with a passion, been a long day, but I've been driven by attraction, it's wrong way. Your body is banging, baby, I love the way you flow. It's time to give it to daddy. Sugar, now tell me how you roll it. Tell me, baby, is it cool to touch? Tell a man that you can trust, not just a fool and lust. Coming to get you on the bus, it's so ironic. Exotic on the verge of erotic. I'm hitting switches on misses, I got me fixed and I'm drowning. Now up and down like a roller coaster. I'm a side, you ain't stopping till the show is over. Cause I'm the vibe, bringing out the fucking Bombardier. Molly breathe, freaking let you get on top of me. If you're rocking knees, now you full of LSA. I'm living legend, you ain't heard about them players living Cali days. So you're the sucker, you were fake to me. It's fair to try to help a brother, wanna take a seat. She mistaking me for Bill Clinton, Mr. Bob Dole. You too old to understand the way you dance so. The lame so I gotta hit you with the hot tracks. Or some movies that make your name try to top that. They wanna set you me, they got to see me in my cell. Sniffing heroin when you're fluid, that's a little sad. Now everybody talking about us, I ain't giving up with everyone that taught us all the best. Come on, tell me how you roll it. How you roll it? I was raised as a youth, first you forgot the truth on how to get a bulletproof. Sex busting off the roof when I was a teenager. Mobile phones, sky page, and game rules, and living major. My adversaries is getting worried, and paranoid of getting buried. One of the see the cemetery, and wonder if my lifestyle changed. And when my feet went on the page, survived in this game, it's still the same. Honey, just meet me at the strip club, bring it on. Look out a second for that cash, let's get it on. I had no sympathy for those afraid of mystery. Come get with me, I promise passion and ecstasy. I'm alone, get like I'm over, day or night. Depend on me to run the handle it and get it right. Your body is banging, baby, I love the way you flow it. Time to give it to daddy, sugar, now tell me how you roll it. Hey, come on.